Hello, our art friend. Today in Kitty Kanjo, we are going to learn how to draw Donnie from Ninja Turtles. So let's start drawing. Draw half a circle for the top of the head. Then make a square with rounded corners attached to one side. Then a small curve attached to it at the other side. Then another similar square to make the glasses. Inside the glasses, draw the eyes by drawing oval shapes narrower near the center, and a small half circle inside each eye. Connect the two sides of the glasses with a half circle to make the bottom of the face and the chin. Draw two curved lines under the glasses to make the mouth, with tiny lines inside for the teeth. Draw a wavy line over the eyes, intersecting the glasses. And another similar one near the bottom of the glass to make the mask. Draw half a rectangle on each side of the face. And connect them together at the top with two half circles to make the headphone. If you like this video, don't forget to like and subscribe. Draw a line coming out from the headphones on the left side of the face, going slightly upwards then going down. Draw a curve under it and extend a similar line to the one on the top to make the arm. Finish the arm with the hand by drawing the thumb that will be partially hidden behind the stick. Then make a half circle and connect it to the arm with a longer curved line. Make a small line inside the hand to define the two fingers. Draw two lines for the stick on the left side of the hand and connect them together with a curve. Extend the two lines on the other side of the hand, stopping under the left part of the headphone. Draw the two fingers of the other hand. And the thumb above them. Then extend the two lines of the stick way further. And close the stick at the end with a curve. Draw a wavy line coming down from the right side of the face, meeting the stick. Then draw another line similar to it to make the arm. Draw half a square under the face to make the front shell. Draw a small line under the left arm, a longer line next to it, then another similar one to make the back shell. Connect the line in the middle to the front shell. Draw a curved line coming down from the right side of the face above the arm, then going down to connect to the elbow. To make the back shell showing from the other side, draw a horizontal line connecting the back and the front shell right above the stick, intersecting the right hand and meeting the arm. Draw another line right under the stick to finish the belt. Extend the front shell under the stick and the belt, and close it at the bottom. Draw a U shape slightly tilted and connect it to the bottom of the front shell to make the left thigh. Then draw the foot with 2 toes coming out from the right side of the thigh. Connect the thigh to the front shell with a small line, and draw a couple of lines on the other side to complete the back shell. Draw a number 7 coming out from the bottom of the front shell under the stick. Then draw a similar one coming out from the side of the right arm, intersecting the stick while going down. Then draw the foot with a side view with 2 toes. Draw a few curved lines to make the covers of the knees, elbows, and wrists. Decorate the front shell with vertical and horizontal lines. Decorate the back shell with small vertical and horizontal lines for some texture. Decorate the stick with some lines that look like upside down letter N. a ninja, Now you can draw Donnie from Ninja Turtles. Now grab the colors of your choice and let's start coloring. To achieve a 3D effect, pick a darker shade and go over some parts of the drawing. To show light reflection on any surface while coloring, leave a small line without color, or use a white pen or pencil over your colors. To give your turtle some texture, decorate its body with some thin lines using a dark pen or pencil. If you like this video, don't forget to like and subscribe.